Alright, Duelist Genesis Special Edition.
Let's go.
Got a couple more of these. Fucking Ghost Rare or Ultimate Rare would be ridiculous. Just anything though besides a multiple piece golem.
Oh! Don't even bring it up. This is...
Okay.
Okay.
That's fitting. Alright, got the Rona card.
Over here for now.
Dude, you gotta whiff those.
You're right.
Open it. Right, you gotta whip the inside.
Dude, the pack itself! Oh shit, I haven't opened Yu-Gi-Oh! Packs in so fucking long. It's been...
Watch those corners.
Over a decade.
Dude,
probably.
That's why. Get a whiff of that.
Oh my god. I'm gonna cry, dude. Do you remember when Psychic type monsters were like the new thing and nobody had...
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Defense
draw.
Classic.
Size station.
Space Gate.
Ghost Guard Mount.
What a weird ass card.
Yeah, I'll just throw these at the
Yeah.
bottom.
Duelist Genesis packs. You'd have to think that eventually they're gonna reprint them.
I mean, yeah, if they're putting like Blue Eyes, or
Yeah.
Legend of Blue Eyes rather.
But I guess they gotta do GX first. Alright, usually the hollows are like towards the middle, like around where the rare is. Alright.
Love it.
Domino.
Dude, all this art.
Mouse Pack.
Okay, this one opened properly.
We're due for one. Yeah,
Oh, I remember the cycle. Like the Earth Charmer, the Dark Charmer, things like that. Go no go.
that was a tough one.
No worries.
I think I picked it out for you too.
No,
Sorry,
here's,
team.
here's from yours.
Alright, I'll start off with Crossroads of Chaos. Where do you want? I got it. I should have started with that though.
Here, let me get the Duelist Genesis.
Just tickle. Alright, let's go. It's been way too long. How do you even open this? Okay. Critical Hardest Angel. 3 packs. And we get a Black Rose Dragon. Fucking classic ass smell. Ooh, these are banned.
Oh, that's a magic thing. That should have both Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Doppelganger. Combat Swordsman. Nice little synchro.
Synchro Strike.
Dang though, hopefully they're not all that bent.
You can try uncurling them with silica gel packs.
Right, usually you can solve the bend, right? Like,
Yeah,
it's creases and whatnot, that's the issue.
yeah. If it's curving a bit, you can mitigate it with a handful of techniques.
Alright. Gadget Driver. Oh, a Seeker Rare.
Ooh.
Can't complain about that.
What is that?
Overdrive Teleporter.
Overdrive Teleporter.
Especially since it's I assume it's probably not worth too much. It's not the first edition, but that's still not a guarantee. Shit.
813.
Oh, really? For unlimited?
Yeah, unlimited.
All right, that's solid. Literally cannot complain about that. Let's see.
Dude, all this art is unlocking like parts of my brain, dude.
The boy Jinzo. Oh, do you see that? Is that like a different color? Or am I imagining that? Giant trap hole. Paralyzing chain. It's a trap. Okay, super rare psychic trigger.
It could be worse.
No, you can't complain. 2 hollows out of that? Opening up some old packs?
Here, you know what?
Yeah.
Let's get all the actual product out of here.
Yeah.
And we'll keep the trash in there.
Oh, right. I forgot I still had all these packs here.
You do. Is this? Yeah. That's not
Alright,
garbage.
All right. My boy Stardust. Come on, man. Last time I pulled some of these packs was my boy David. We pulled a booster box.
And the Stardust.
I know, I got an ultimate rare Stardust. Unfortunately though, all those booster boxes back then were unlimited. Can I use a knife?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I forgot to see if anybody had card loaders over there. It's okay though.
I've still got a few.
Yeah. Alright. Shoot, where should we put... Do these bounce here?
Yeah,
That's clutch.
those are fine. Thankfully.
Alright, let's get it. A nice little ultimate rare would be amazing. Obviously.
As long as it's not.
Another Chrono card?
Oh no.
As long as it's not multiple piece golden. That is for sure.
How much is it worth? Like $2? And a pack of
Unlimited?
cigarettes?
Probably.
Remember Team Planet selling theirs for like double digits?
Wait, dude, you're unlocking memories, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Dude, it's just like these small things that like fire off synapses, and it's a fucking domino effect. We remember things we didn't even like knew we knew?
Yeah.
Knew we knew.
Carbones. Dark Resonator. Oh my fucking...
Fuck! No!
Dude.
No! Fuck!
This hurts.
Ah!
This hurts.
We were just talking shit about you!
Maybe that's why we deserve it.
Get the fuck out of my car!
I fucking hate that.
No!
That could have been a fucking Stardust.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Could have been a fucking Red Dragon Archfiend. It's okay, maybe. Stardust was here. Don't worry.
Oh my fucking...
You never know, we still got 2 packs.
Alright, 2 packs, let's go.
Although it'd be kind of ridiculous to get 2 ultra rares and 1 Kunai with Chain super rare.
Okay, that's not...
We're getting some
that's not
hollows
bad.
though. Like,
Dude, you're getting the hollows. I got jack shit.
I'm sorry, bro. Maybe my touch only works on me, bro.
No, it's okay because maybe multiple pieces. I'm curious. What?
It's literally...
How much?
If I can get $1 for that, I'll fucking...
You'd be happy.
I'll pray for that guy that does that. Takes that shit for $1. That's a hard-earned $1 and you're gonna use that on multiple piece golden? Next thing we know, it's worth like $40. Nah, no way.
37 cents.
That is sad.
Wait, did you get 2 copies of the same fucking card?
Oh yeah, in the other packs, yeah, and another fucking... That was a 3 hollow, special edition. That's pretty cool. Literally can't really ask for more. 3 hollows. Especially when you get an ultra rare, like, that could have been a Stardust, but...
Fuck! That's so fucking... I'm upset.
It's all good, because we still got
Oh, you're
some
right.
more chances at some ghosts. How the fuck do you open this? Oh.
It's cute. So this is Cybernetic Revolution. The one behind is Elemental Energy, right?
Yeah, dude, so you can get some cool cards. Unfortunately, not first edition, but I mean, getting like an ultimate rare Cyber Dragon would be great. Okay, let's see. This is
Shadow
your Dimension of Chaos.
These are unlimited, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
I
go.
don't really know this set, but I just got back into it. But let's see. what
Are
we can
pendulum
get
cards
here
legal?
for you. Yeah, they are. Okay, nothing here. I'll just throw this up here. Alright, last couple packs. GX, can we get an ultimate rare? I almost would have rather not gotten this. That
Dude, that's so. That's infuriating. I'm sorry. I'm angry in your stead. How the fuck are you supposed to open those?
I know. You gotta like make a hole in it. Was it too much to make a tin, Konami? This is cool. Elemental Energy. This pack looks kind of beat up, but low key.
Can I see it?
Cybernetic Revolution. Yes, let me just get the last one out. I'm fucking whipping this shit up. Here you go.
Beautiful.
You just
Oh,
want to
shit.
check out that elemental.
You're right. Oh, I wonder if the camera can pick it up, but these are coiled. I was trying to say bent and like curved.
Yeah.
These are bent as hell.
Yeah, you can kind of just tell when you got them out that they were kind of messed up, but it's all
That's
good. I just left the Ultra in there, but 'cause it was kind of hard to take out.
Here, I'll take care of it.
I thought it was only worth like $1. DD guide. Success probably 0%. I remember I opened up a special edition of these as a kid.
Fuck! It's not even shit.
Option Hunter. Alright. I'm down for that because I didn't really. That's the pack I didn't want to pull something in.
You want all your luck to go to these packs.
Yeah. Elemental Energy. Can we get an ultimate rare? I can pull like a Spark Blaster.
You got a $4 Spark Blaster?
Oh my god. Yeah, this is really bent. Branch. I feel like I remember having this card. Nothing much there. Pretty cool to see these old rares though. Man, the quality of the cards used to be so flimsy.
Are they better now?
Yeah, they updated it sometime like in 2010.
It's the other way around with Magic.
Really?
Dude, that company fucking hates its players, I swear to God. Puffers is the coast.
Okay, Cybernetic Revolution. I thought that said Constipation. Pot of Generosity. Return 2 cards from your deck. The fuck? What that? Dragon's Mirror. Oh, a misprint.
That's a hero card too.
Yeah, you can kind of see like they tried their
May I?
best. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is I wonder if the camera can pick it up. Yeah, look right here. You can see like it got stamped, but there's no ink.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it got stamped, but there's simply no ink.
All right, boys. Well, that's it. That's a trip down memory lane.
Beautiful.